I know you can't see me. It looks weird, creepy, but listen to this. It's coming. Just wait for it. Watch. It's not that bird. That. I've been sleeping for a while and that just went off. It's telling me the battery is low for the safety detectors. So what I have to do is now go outside and plug in the camper into the van so that it juices up the whole battery again. When Chilldog skinned out, I don't know where she went to. She went somewhere. She wasn't having it. That's weird. She went over by it. Alright, so first I gotta get to the ground. Wait. Very, very important. Unlock the door and open it. The ground first. This is why use is important. These are those trainer. Alright. Oh, that's all I need to do. Now I'm gonna have to drive it. That in place. Now I gotta get down because I don't have a core. So I gotta get down here to do this. And it'll pull me out. I had to learn how to do that. I don't think you can see it though. I had to learn how to do it. Let's move it down here. I had to learn how to do that because of when I tried to there, that's a better angle. I had to learn how to do that because when I tried to do it before, the weight would just slam the wheelchair down to the ground. I couldn't hold it up. Then I realized if I get on the ground, lay down, then it'll pull me to it. Remember that technique I showed at the field, at the battlefield? This is why it comes in handy. And turn around easy. Right, okay. I'll be back. I don't think that's a bird. That's a frog. Alright, this is what I was talking about. This is the hard part. I had to warm these up. I gotta warm my arms up. You know, it seems kind of silly. It seems kind of silly to do this for a 1 minute task, but if I don't do this, man, oh man, I'm in trouble. My arms are end up having feeling a muscle, and then I'll get the snot. And then no matter what I'm doing, or that arm trick I told you, no matter what I'm doing, man, that would hurt. It hurts. More painful. It hinders my productivity. I'm just rambling and I'm tired. Oh. Let's stretch out like this first so I don't get spasms. Oh, yeah.